guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be doing the next in the build and decorate your dollhouse. This is the number 39, guys. But well, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband / cameraman, whose channel is called Cosas. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Guys, we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time for an up-close look at the magazine. So let's mosey on down here. Up at the top, we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style. And here it says, enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. And guys, as I said before, this is the number 39. If you would like to see the previous 38, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the in cards. And of course, guys, this collection is from Salvat, which is the same company that makes the Marvel figures which I unbox. If you're interested in seeing that, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in my channel. And here it says, the food is ready. And it talks about some of the foods that they would eat, and you can see down here, that all looks delicious. Deviled eggs, turkey, ribs, ham with carrots and peas, roasted potatoes. What do you think, Han? Does that look like a nice meal?
It looks good and realistic. They will launch all these, or this is from another dollhouse, or what?
I imagine it's part of this dollhouse, or maybe they teach you how to make these. I'm not really sure.
It's good.
And here we see like different parts of the kitchen, I guess it would be. And here it tells you all of the different parts. And guys, up at the top here it says like bowls or casseroles of the kitchen, talking about the dishes and the plateware. We do stuff like this, of putting the dry ingredients in jars. They did it back then too. It's a good way to keep things like dry and out of the reach of bugs. And over here, it teaches you how to make a chocolate cake with strawberries. Here it gives you all of the materials that you'll need, with a picture of the materials here. And then guys, it walks you through step by step of how to make it. And guys, as I always say with this collection, Don't worry, once we have the entire collection, I'm going to walk you through how to make all of these little projects, and we're going to be building the dollhouse together, so make sure to stay tuned for that. Make sure to not only subscribe, but hit the bell so that you're notified when I post something new. That's the quickest way to know. And here it shows you the last finishing touches that you have to do on the strawberries. And down at the bottom it shows you the end of the project. It shows you what it's gonna look like at the end. What do you think, honey? Does it look good?
It looks good. It reminds me to a portal cake.
A bit, yeah. And here it talks about the parties of Queen Victoria. Here you have a nice portrait of her there. I love this part of the collection that gives you like a little bit of history that comes with the dollhouse. It's neat. And well guys, that's the end of that. And now it's time to unbox our brand new little table. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Okay guys, so we have the little table out of the initial box and now it's time for an up close look at it. Boom! It looks really cool. What do you think, honey?
Yeah, it's good.
I like all the little details here and in the leg. Looks really cool.
Yeah, here it is.
I want to see something really awesome.
It opens.
It opened! I'm sorry, I think that's cool.
It's good.
And it can come all the way out.
Yeah.
Let it be. Okay, there. And well, there's the other side. I really like the legs of this like little table.
Yeah.
It's cool. And there's the back.
You think it's wood or it's plastic or it's a mix?
I think it's a mix, but it smells really good and it seems to be well made. There's the top. And well guys, we really like this cute little table, right honey?
Yeah.
If you guys like it too, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband / cameraman whose channel is called Cosas. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, Lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below, so make sure to go on over and check him out. And well, guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.